Hey friends, it's Laura. So I've been kind of trying to figure out a fun way to announce this, and I think I'm just going to announce it just the way it is. So it is December 31st of 2024, and starting tomorrow, you're going to start noticing some changes on my FlossTube channel because it's not going to be a FlossTube channel anymore. I've really decided that I'm going to be branching out into a lot more things, and I've already done that a little bit because I've shared things with quilting and I've shared some things with the Cricut and just some other interests that I have. And I thought, my channel name just doesn't really reflect who I am and what I'm sharing anymore. So for starting in 2025, please don't leave me and please don't get too confused. It's still going to be me and I'm still going to be doing all the crafty things that we all love. But the channel name is going to change from Laura B. FlossTube to Laura's Handmade Haven. And I'm going to be showing you all kinds of fun things, anything that crosses my mind. And it's going to allow me to just kind of expand my content for you. I do have some vintage jewelry repair videos scheduled for later in January and February. I also have some fun Cricut crafts coming up in probably February as well. We are going to have a sew along for the Lori Holt Mercantile Quilt Seeds, and that's going to be a super fun quilt project. I hope you do join me on that one. We're just going to have a bunch of fun things this next year for 2025. So I hope you stay tuned. I hope you enjoy all the new content. And like I said, it's still going to be me. I'm still going to be sharing all the crafty things I love. I will definitely still be sharing all the cross stitch things that I do. And I'm going to be expanding that even more into the quilting and the Cricut crafts and just all the plethora of crafts that I do and anything else that I might get myself into. So with all of that being said, I hope that you enjoy your stay at Laura's Handmade Haven. I hope you join me on this wonderful crafting journey, and I hope that you enjoy the content that's coming up for you in 2025 and beyond. I'm also going to revise my sign off just a tad, just to kind of incorporate that new philosophy and the new adventure that we're going to have with Laura's Handmade Haven. So until next time, I hope you find joy in all you do. Carve out some time for crafting and creating, and remember, it's always better to make things up.